How to use Find My iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Settings application. After that, simply tap on your Apple ID. Now scroll below, tap on Find My. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Find My iPhone again and make sure it is turned on. You can even turn on Find My Network and send last location button. Now your iPhone is now linked to the Find My system. After that, you have to open the Find My app on another iPhone, iPad or Mac. Now go ahead and simply tap on Devices. After that, select the iPhone you want to locate. You will see its location on the map along with the options like play sound, mark as lost or erase devices. If you don't have the access to the another Apple account, you can simply open a web browser. In the search bar, simply search for icloud.com/find and then sign in with your Apple ID and password. If prompted on someone else's iPhone, close the pop-up and continue signing in manually. Once signed in, select the device from the list to see its location on the map. That's it. You now know how you can set up and use Find My iPhone to track your device. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.